is Mr. Burns talking about x2VOL and how to log your hours and how to manage the system. Okay, so a lot of you are having trouble. I hope this video will help. So for your civics class by April 13th, you need to have 15 hours verified. And if you're going for NJHS, you need to have 20 hours verified by February 26th. So I want to make sure that all 8th graders understand how to use x2VOL. And if you're struggling, this video should help. So the first thing you got to do, of course, is you got to log into Blackboard. I want to thank 5th period civics, Taylor Sarich. Thank you so much for letting me use your account. I had to give a shout out. So you're going to log into Blackboard and you're going to click this family connection link. It'll take you to this screen here where it says family connection. You will click this resources x2vol link here, and then it will take you to your dashboard on x2vol. And what you'll see on the dashboard on the left side, you'll see class of 2022, and you'll see your civics teacher, and then you might see NJHS as well. And you can see that the student has completed all required hours for all groups. 20 out of 15, 20 out of 20, good to go. Okay. There's also, on this main page, you can find different opportunities. You can also, search how to, find opportunities here. But we're mostly focused on, oh yeah, by the way, how to add yourself to a group. You can go here. But we're mostly focused on how to post hours or how to log hours. So you click on My Activity Log at the top under Opportunities and Projects. And that'll take you to the next screen, which looks like this. Okay. So what it'll show you is any of the past opportunities that you've done, the hours, and that have been claimed, verified, and approved. Claim means you put them in. Verified means the person from the activity verified your hours, and approved means your civics teacher or NJHS sponsor approved them. You can also edit pat later if you need to, or delete that entry if you need to. Okay, so in order to do that, you go to Create New for Person Project. That's going to take you to the new screen. Eventually. And so here we go. So we're on the screen, and what you would do in this space here is you would type in the name of the organization. So we'll just use Service Learning Club as an example. Project description, we created materials for random acts of kindness week. All right, fix the spelling, of course, because you gotta do it right. Do it right or do it twice. And then we scroll down. If there's any attachments that you have to add, you can put it there. If it's a recurring project, something you do every week, you can do that. This would be educational. All right. Humanitarianism means it helps people. Faith-based means it's religious. Environmental helps the environment. Government or educational. You can figure those out. So then you would put the activity contact. So that I run Service Learning Club. So that's going to be me. So I'd put, if I'm a student, I would put Mr. Burns here. Phone number you can leave blank, and then I would put Mr. Burns' email, jrburns@fcps.edu. The date, last time I had Service Learning Club was Wednesday. Can't do anything into the future. You can only do things into the past. Okay, so 1 hour, 30 minutes. You get an hour and a half for coming to Service Learning Club. Sign up at lunch. And then reflections, you can add reflections if you need to. Apply to all non-exclusive goals. You want to hit that. Hours I'm submitting are accurate. You have to hit this button right here. Okay. And then when you're done, I'm not going to do it, but you hit submit. And that will send an email to me because I'm the person who is in charge of Service Learning Club. And I would verify the hours. And then it would send an email to your civics teacher. And then that person, your civics teacher, would also approve the hours, and then you're good to go. Okay. So the due dates are coming up. Now, if you've submitted things and the people haven't verified them, a couple things you can do there. One is you can reach out to them, just send them an email and say, you know what, I sent you these hours on October or November or whatever the date was, and you haven't approved them. Can you please check your deleted mail, check your spam, check your junk mail, make sure you approve those. if you get a response saying that we don't approve hours that way or something like that, maybe you can get something in writing from your parents signed, and you can bring that to us, so that we can at least, verify those hours on our end. You want to do that soon because your hours are coming up, your due dates are coming up, so you don't want to wait till the last minute. So make sure you get that done. Other questions, see me in Rays. I'm in May 110. Okay, thank you.